Question 2. You are given the following information about the activity in two different investment accounts. During 2015, the dollar-weighted return for an investment account K equals the time-weighted return for an investment account L, which equals I. Calculate I. So let's start off by calculating the time-weighted value, which we'll label TW. And this is using account L, just to be clear. 1 plus I to the power of 1, because we're only dealing with 1 year, will equal $125 divided by 100 times 105.8 divided by 125 with a withdrawal of X. We can further simplify this to 132.25 divided by 125 minus X. And we're going to label this as equation 1. Moving on to calculating the dollar-weighted return, which we'll label DW, of account K. So we start off with the final value of account K, which is $125. And this was gathered by $100 being deposited at the start of the year. So that's accumulating interest over the course of 1 year, plus a withdrawal of X that accumulates interest for the course of only half a year, because it's being deposited halfway through. Pardon me, it's being withdrawn halfway through, plus a deposit of 2X, which accumulates interest for only a quarter of the year, because it's being deposited on October 1st, 2015. So we can further simplify this by writing 125 equals 100 times 1 plus I to the power of 1, of course, minus I times 1 plus I for only half a year, plus 2X times 1 plus I for only a quarter of the year. Now this does look like a fairly complicated equation to calculate I with, so what we can do is approximate using simple interest. And this is possible simply because we're dealing with such a short amount of time, and the difference between simple interest and compound interest is fairly insignificant. $125 will equal to 100 times 1 plus I minus X times 1 plus 0.5I. So what we're simply doing with this approximation is just bringing that exponent into the bracket. Plus 2X times 1 plus I, 0.25I, pardon me. Therefore, we get that I equals 25 minus X divided by 100. And we'll label that as equation 2. Now we simply combine equations 1 and 2, and we get that 1 plus I will equal to 132.25 divided by 125 minus X, and that's from equation 1, which is equivalent to 25 minus X divided by 100 plus 1, because right here we see that I equals to this term, but we need to add 1 to make it. By solving this system of equations, you get X equals 10, so your deposits and withdrawals are equivalent to 10, and what we're really looking for is our I, which is going to be equivalent to 0.15 or 15%.